Hi everyone. If your Vortex phone isn't turning on or charging, don't panic. In today's video, I'll show you some easy steps to troubleshoot and hopefully fix the problem. Let's get started. Fix what? Check the back cover. Ensure the back cover is properly secured. Press around the edge to confirm it is clicked in completely. Fix 2. Test the charger. Use an alternate charging cable and power adapter. Plug another device into the outlet to ensure it is working. Fix 3. Clean the buttons and charging port. Use a soft cloth or old toothbrush around the power and volume buttons. Inspect and clean the charging port. Check for dust or debris inside using a flashlight. Remove obstructions with a toothpick or non-metallic tool. Fix 4. Inspect the battery. Step 1. Take out the battery from the phone. Step 2. Look for swelling, leakage, or corrosion. Step 3. Use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean conductors if necessary. Fix 5. Test the charger. Use different accessories. Try using a different charging cable and power adapter to rule out issues with your current charger. Ensure that the charger is compatible with your Vortex phone. Check the outlet. Plug the charger into a different power outlet. You can also test the outlet with another device to ensure it is working properly.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.